one or two of my people will be say I don't help run some kind things for their lappy. Don't go obodo oyibo, come back. Come they tell me say, then delete everything where they their lappy. Because once they come back or once they go some kind country, say as they don't reach the people airport. Now so once they see our Bali, we be say our pass. I don't want to call our country name. Say once they see our Bali, now so they go stop them, tell them make they open their lappy. Maybe say they carry they enter the country, or they come out for the country. Upon say other people carry lappy, but they no go touch all those people lappy. Now our own people lappy, now they go touch. Once they don't see our Bali, see say na green, and be the color. So as I don't get many complain, oh, I say make I come make this video. Make my people still understand, say, apart from deleting everything where they inside your lappy, instead of you to come out everything where they inside your lappy, you still get another way we say if you still take hide them, because all those people self where they even work for airports, most of them self not even good like that for computer. I just normal kenny nine days sabi. So I said make I make this video from this my YouTube channel. I'm not sure say I don't make video like this. Speak broken. Now only English I dey take the talk for almost all the 400 to 500 videos wey be say I don't make for this YouTube. And I go like make una still tell me say this language where I take the communicate with una. When I like am, when I go like make una see more videos from me as I dey take talk, as I dey speak broken the way where I sabi speak. Oh, I no too good, I no be worry boy or Port Harcourt boy wey be say they go dey speak broken like say they dey chop chin chin. Now I say make I make this video, I say make I share with una, show una how una go take hide everything, anything wey be say you wan hide inside your lappy wey you carry. So that those people, if they open your lappy, they no go say anything. But now you know where you keep the one where you keep, and now you know as you take hide am. And when you be say they don't look the lappy finish, as you don't enter where they enter, as you don't come up for their country, if you reach our own country or if you reach anywhere where we say they go, you go do, you know as you go take do and make everything wey still dey inside your lappy, make it still show. Because I no come understand the one wey we say person go dey enter person country, when I go leave other people wey carry lappy, the only people wey we say when I go hold na people wey we say they carry green, Bali, they enter. Wetin will do these people self? So that wetin make I say make I make this video, make I share with una and show una how una go take hide anything where you want hide for your lappy, even how you go take come out everything where they in front of your desktop, so that anybody will open your system, will on your system and say, oh, I'm nothing there in front of your desktop. They're not going to say anything. And then if you find them anywhere, because you get as I take run and so go take run for this video, so that even if you say then follow another corner, go check them, they're not going to still see them. But now you know as you go take open now. So make I not talk too much, make I just jump into my lap, make I still show now how I go take run this matter. All the application where they here like this, they show for my desktop. Now, make I show you how you go take hide this, all these things where they in front of this place. Come in front of your lappy, right click. I didn't say click. Right click in front of your lappy, the right side of your mouse. If you right click, come to this view, go to show desktop icon. You go see say the thing they checked here. If you click them, everything for your desktop will disappear. But it never disappear finish. Because if you go over here, if you go here, open any folder. If you come over here, desktop by the left corner here, if you click here, you go see say everything where they in front of your lappy for your desktop. Now be all these things where they here now. So anyone where you click for here, it go still open. But make I show you what you gonna need to do. Now, first, if you come here now, right click again and go to properties. You click your properties, come over here, hidden. Click on this hidden and click on apply. And click on this apply changes to folders and subfolders, so that everything where they inside the folder go still hide. Click OK. You will see say the thing don't read, everything don't disappear like this. And click OK. So even if the person come now, come go to your desktop from this folder, you no go see anything. On top your desktop, nothing still there. You open any folder also, come to this desktop. Nothing wey dey inside this desktop will show. Now, like this, where I take right click, go to properties, go click hidden. Now, so you go take go to any folder where you want hide for document, for download, anywhere where you say you keep them. Whether in a folder, whether in a picture, whether in anything, you feel still right click. Like this, make I use one thing now, make I check for this document. Okay. Let's say this text images. I come here, right click on them, go to property, click on hidden, apply them. Say subfolder and fold everything. Say okay, click okay. See, say that folder don't disappear. Now the issue now is say how you want to make this thing come back again, so that not only you know how you will take make and come back. Because normally if you hide all the folders way there for your system, anybody will enter this system now no go see them. They no go know say you hide them. Let's say the person na pro, we understand as everything they go. Now make I show you how you go take make everything show back. Now, if you go for your search, okay, you have to type control panel. This control panel, you open your control panel. As you don't open your control panel, you go to File Explorer option for Windows 11. Windows 10 is like files and folders. There are files and folders on Windows 10, Windows 8, or Windows 11 File Explorer. Double click on this thing. Once you double click on this thing, you will bring out this small window. If you go to View, the next one, you will see here, do not show hidden files and folders. That is why the whole thing disappeared, because you don't make all those folders hidden. Now, if you come here now and say show hidden files and folders, wait, make I minimize this thing so that most of you guys will understand. You open a folder, normal folder now. Let's come to this desktop now. You see all the hidden files and folders, no one they show. But that small Windows Explorer now, make I bring them on top. If you click on this show hidden files and folders and now apply, see, you see, all the hidden files and folders don't show. If you click do not show hidden files and folders. You click everything will disappear. Even for that picture, we say we put, if you bring this thing up now, make a shift and down now, come here now, come click show hidden files and folders and click on apply. See that picture now, you don't come. Now if you click on do not show hidden file and folder and click apply, the picture will disappear. Now that's how you go take bring out all the hidden files and folders within your system where you don't reach where they go. Now to make the thing make you no be hidden file and folders again. After you don't go jeje reach your house, nobody worry you again, nobody see anything. You have to come here, say show hidden files and folders. This thing don't appear. Click here, right click, and go to properties again. Remove this one now. Click and apply. Folders and subfolders, so that the thing not going to be hidden files and folders again. The same thing goes to the desktop. You know, all these files, you see, say they don't show well because they are still under hidden files and folders. You go to the desktop and right click also and go to properties and uncheck this one and say apply. You go see everything go show well. There are folders and subfolders. Click OK. You don't read everything go now show well. Don't see them, everything don't show well. You see no be hidden files and folders again. So you need to go back again and say do not show hidden file and folders and click on apply. If you click on apply, the thing not going to disappear again because these things not be hidden files unless you go back again, right click, go to properties and make a hidden file and apply before the thing will come hide again. So now so you go take hide any picture, any photo, any video, any app, anything where there for your system. Now like this, it's still the show for here, but you don't go show for desktop. Unless you go here, say show, everything will come back. So now so you go take run am anything wey be say you wan hide for your system. If you make a hidden files, go to control panel, make you change them. Plus say make you no show hidden files and folders. So now wetin I wan show una for this video. I hope say una enjoy am. Now una don see as I take do everything wey I do. If you follow as I take do am, you get am right. You know hard. Na just one or two things. If you no understand them, if you go back, watch the video again so that you go fit know as you go take do am well. This na just wetin I say make I share with una. So if una like this video wey I make now, make it help me like am. Those of una wey go watch my video finish, comot. Wey no go click that bell button, wey no go subscribe. I don't know what una dey wait for. Maybe una dey wait when I don reach 100 years. At that time, una go subscribe. Make una help my ministry now. Make we see dey grow, dey go. As I dey share this good thing, una no like am like this. Make una help. I no ask una for money. Make una just press that thing. If you know say you never subscribe, you press that subscription button. And so that anything wey I post, now you go be the first person to see am. Na everything I go beg una, make una do. The little thing wey I ask una, help me now. Kí ló dé? Ọ dịkwa egwu o.